What is that?
Champions League trophy. I won it.
For what?
Barcelona.
Duh, for playing soccer.
What's the red dot on it for, though?
Indian papel.
Oh, this is how the Indian people get the mark on their forehead. You just go, ding, and then now they're ready.
Our spaceman knuckles bang. Knuckle bang.
No jumping, no sports.
Knuckle bang choo choo.
And then they'll give you our information to call. Just call tomorrow and
Knuckle bang
I'll
choo choo
email
choo
the
choo
staff.
bang.
What the hell is that? Get that
Down.
What is that?
Cash.
What is that?
Cash. No.
What is
Cash. Cash. Go. Go.
What is that?
Go.